In this video, we are going to show you how you can avail AskSai's 35% coupon discount. Now, if you are a student, AskSai might be a good co-pilot for you. So for those who don't know, AskSai AI is an AI-powered study co-pilot designed for high school and university students, acting as a personal tutor and homework helper. Now, if you want to get a 35% discount on your first subscription, this is going to be the video for you. All you need to do is click on the link on the description we have provided below, and it's going to bring you to this page right here. Now, once you are here, all you need to do is click on log in and just sign up using your Google account. It's the fastest way to do so. And once you do that, you're going to be brought to this dashboard right here. Now, you want to click on the redeem 0.99 or 99-cent trial here to bring you to the pricing page. Once you're in your pricing page, just choose wherever here. For this example, I'm going to show you on the plus, right? Get plus now. It's going to bring you to this checkout page right here. And on the coupon code option here on the left-hand side, just type in enjoy 35. And as you can see, coupon code applied, and you get $26.58 off. So that is how you redeem your AskSai 35% coupon discount. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.